It's SOS Saturdays, episode number 6. How fantastic is that? We're halfway through February, and it's been a fantastic year so far. My name's Quincilia Sia. I'm a professional organizer, and my company name is SOS My Space, but you know that because you're here watching. So if you're watching live, if you tune in, I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes before I get started. So as you tune in, please comment below, let me know where you're watching from. And if you are coming to me just afterwards and watching a replay, then please let me know, okay? So I'll just get started. We're gonna win the battle with the fitted sheet issues today. And I've had several requests to share how to win the battle with the fitted sheets. Some of you have mastered it, and I'm so proud of you. And some of you are still trying to figure out how to win this battle, right? So what do we do? How do you do it? So this is probably how some of you are handling your fitted sheets, correct? It's just, you have no idea what to do with it when you bring it out of the dryer, and so it just sort of goes into a big ball, and that's sufficient, and it gets stuffed into your drawer or stuffed into your linen closet, and off you go. And that's fine. I used to be that person until I learned how. And trust me when I say, once you see how it's done, it's pretty freaking revolutionary and kind of simple. So I want to show you these simple tips. I'm doing it with a queen size sheet, but you can do it with a crib sheet. You can do it with a twin size or a king size. And we have queen and king size sheets at home, and I master these all by myself. Okay, so if you think, how the hell can I fold these gigantic fitted sheets all by myself? You can. If I can, you can. All right. So this is what we've got right now, and this is the result that we're after, right? You can't even tell that it's a fitted sheet, just kind of looks like a flat sheet. So let's go over how it's done. I'll put that down. So as I'm folding, I may adjust the camera so that you can see a little bit more of the surface that I'm working on. I'm just working off the bed, but you can do it on your couch, you can use your dining table, whatever flat surface that you've got, or the floor. It really doesn't matter. And some of you might even master this way better than me and be able to do it without any sort of surface at all. Awesome. Hey, Kim's watching from Mexico, I think. Kim, we're folding fitted sheets today. Hello, hola. So we have here a gigantic fitted sheet. How to? You have 4 corners, right? Just like a flat sheet, you've got corners. So first things first, and it really doesn't matter if you do the long corners first or long side or the short side. So I'm just gonna start with the short side because I'm short. So you've got, let me just show you here. So you've got this this pocket essentially that your fitted sheet would fit on the corner of your mattress with. What you want to do is put one hand inside until you find the corner of that seam, and do the same. Find the other side of that sheet and basically insert your fingers into those corners, right? Then what you're going to do is join these two together and flip one over the other. So it's kind of like putting one pocket over the other. And what you end up with is essentially, pardon me as I try and figure out how to get these angles right for you. What you end up with essentially is two corners tucked into each other, okay? Now we'll line up our sides of the sheet. I'm just gonna lay that down on the bed. And then I'm gonna go and find the other side here. Find the 2 corners with my fingers inside, and because I went right to left on that one side, I'm gonna go left to right on this side. I'm actually gonna turn this around here. And what I end up with is 2 and 2, right? Can you all see this? I hope you can see this. It's a little bit awkward. So we've got 2 corners together and 2 corners together. What I'm now going to do is bring the 2 and 2 together, fold it over like so, and now I end up with all 4 corners, all 4 of the elasticized corners all tucked into each other right here. They're all in one spot. So I have then all of the elastic sides all together. Got it? Kim, you got it? Here we go. So, just want to make sure that you can see. So I'm going to point the camera down, adjust it a bit. Here we go. There we go. Okay. So now I'm just going to lay everything down flat and smooth out the sides, because essentially what we want is flat and straight outer edges. So I might just run my hand underneath just to straighten it out a bit, and do the same with the other side, all the while making sure that it is all flat. Okay, sides are all lined up. Now I have a rectangle, essentially, right? A rectangle that is fully straight. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to take one side and fold it in. So folding the whole thing in half, I'm just going to flip it over so that I can smooth that out again. Fold it in half one more time. Here we go. You see these straight edges, and then half one more time. And there you have your fitted sheet that you've just won the battle over. Now, one extra bonus tip that I have is that oftentimes sheets will come in a sheet set together with your pillowcase. So what I like to do is, you know, your 2 matching pillowcases. Oh, hey Janine. Oh, thank you. We're folding fitted sheets. So what we'll do is I will actually go ahead, open that back up, and tuck my two pillowcases inside the sheet so that everything stays together. And this is how it gets inserted into the linen closet. So when it's time to change the sheets, what I pull out is all one package, the sheets as well as the pillowcase all together, right? You don't have to go and search for your matching pillowcases anymore, because it's all together in one beautiful package. That's it. That simple, yo. You can win the battle over your fitted sheets just like that.